issued a flood warning for the Little Lehigh Allentown 10th Seine Bridge until this evening, or until the warning is canceled. At 2:01 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 8.9 feet. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Minor flooding is occurring and moderate flooding is forecast. The river will continue rising to near 10.9 feet by late this afternoon. Impact at 11.0 feet. Portions of the Little Lehigh Parkway pathways in Little Lehigh Park are damaged or destroyed. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 11.1 feet on October 8, 2005.